Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at ISC 12 in Hamburg. We're at the NetApp booth, and I'm here with Bryan. And Bryan, you know, this was a big week for the US and HPC and for NetApp. The Sequoia system came out, #1 on the top 500, but it's more about processing. It sounds like there's a great I/O story there as well. Is that true?
Yeah, I definitely believe there is, Rich. With Sequoia, what was amazing was they had targeted doing terabyte per second. Benchmarks at the end actually accommodated 1.3 terabytes per second. And the way we did it was with our modular building block architecture associated with our E-series storage devices, the Lustre file system, and front-end servers that actually hosted those objects.
So, as we know, the bigger a computer is, the more storage it needs, and you got to feed the beast. So, what does the HPC solution for Lustre from NetApp, how does it go about that? What's unique about it?
Sure. So we at NetApp have actually 3 different solution elements of our portfolio for HPC. The first, and the one that was used with Sequoia at Lawrence Livermore, was in fact the HPC for Lustre solution. What did we bring to the table there? We brought a reference architecture, known good performance capabilities via benchmarking and validation of capabilities with certain servers. And what was nice there is that for someone like Lawrence Livermore with significant capabilities, they could bring to market anything they want, right, using that reference architecture. We also have 2 additional capabilities, one with a prepackaged software solution to allow for easy manageability. So that would be allow our customers to buy not only the storage devices with our E-series platforms, but also be able to buy the software to manage the Lustre solution in a more simple mechanism. Bringing ISOs to the object servers and MDS servers so it's easy to implement, right? So ease of configuration drops tenfold, and then use a GUI to be able to manage an entire system. For Lawrence Livermore, I think it was like 500 nodes. So imagine having to manage that from a Lustre perspective via CLI scripts and trying to maintain and monitor the system. Also, lastly, we're bringing to the table a fully integrated solution, our HPS rack, high performance storage rack, that brings together the servers, the interconnect, as well as our storage devices. In fact, we're using the same E5460 that we use for Lawrence Livermore to bring that to market.
So what do you got over here for us? You got one of the devices here?
Sure. So what I do have here for you, though, is the E5460. And this is really the heart and soul from NetApp of the scalable systems unit. With this device, we can get 60 drives, all serviceable online, right? So we can be online running full speed. I can pull this all the way out and service a drive all the way back here, okay? And it works very well for our reference architecture, which is an 8+2 RAID 6 LUN. And soon we'll have also what's called dynamic disk pools to be able to allow our customers to not only do static LUN sets, but also be able to address using all the drives together as part of a disk pool, and therefore striping the algorithm across 60 drives to up to 384 drives.